Afternoon. We're doing 2 Prestige. .2020 football boxes for Jens. I think that's the jersey. Yes, you can get autographs in the blasters. I think it's probably 1 or 2 per 20 box case. They don't give odds, I don't think. It's pretty much you get a jersey card. 8 or 9 inserts and like 8 or 9 autographs. 8 or 9 rookies. Good luck, here we go. There we go. Prestigious Pros Aaron Rodgers. Oh, nice pick on the box. 2 rookie. It's a good way to start. Galladay, Chase Claypool, Daniel Jones blue, Brian Edwards rookie, Youth Movement Devin Bush, Jedrick Wills rookie, Minshew. Okay, guys, I'll answer. Let me finish the break, and I'll answer the IMs. Justin Herbert rookie. Kyle Rudolph blue, Kenneth Murray rookie, Kyler Murray honor roll. I think that might be the first one of those we've seen of a Kyler.
Hello. Did you order a crack water water? Expecting a rush on water?
Hey David, how you doing?
Good. I'm looking for some 2020 tops. Have they been sorted yet?
Which series?
Mostly 2.
I think there's some 2 sitting on the table there.
Hey.
And I don't think they're collated. Troutman rookie. Good luck on this jersey. Miko Hardman, league leader. Jens, thank you very much. Let me know if you'd like more.